Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today's tip, we're going to cover the proper way to coat a screen. We're going to begin with filling our scoop coater with our emulsion, and we're going to use the round edge of the scoop coater. Using the round edge will give us the proper EOM or emulsion over mesh for our stencil. Starting at the bottom of the substrate side of the screen, tilt the scoop coater, applying even pressure. Bring the scoop coater to the top of the screen. Once we have the substrate side coated, we'll switch to the inside of the screen and repeat the process again. Once the screen is fully coated, we want to put it into our drying rack, substrate side down. This will enable us to build a stencil that has a proper gasket on the bottom of the screen, allowing us to have a proper ink deposit while we're printing. Now that we've gone over proper coating techniques and drying, the next tip is going to be how to expose the screen and wash it out. So we'll see you next Tuesday.